I think all the odds are in our favor. But remember, the ASAM people just last year elected Monday Ukpewolo. The two, our candidate and their running mate, are no strangers to ballot box. The PDP candidates, they are both strangers to ballot box. You must factor this one. And when next you are carrying rumor, also carry facts. My friend, this election is between PDP and APC. I don't want to be too personal. And the fact that we are harvesting more and more people every day decamping. And I'm surprised that rather speculating about who will face what, you are not a witness to the fact that the entire PDP in Ego, a month ago, all the wards decamped to APC. Just last week, in my local government, the remaining remnant of PDP, they decamped to APC. And across Edo Central, the same thing. Where have you heard APC people decamping to? People are jumping out because the umbrella is leaking and this rainy season.
We have been in the politics of the state. Look.